So I'm doing homework, equations, practical problems now. So let's work on number 1. So let me pull this up. So Sam earns $4 more. He'll have $52. So to write out the equation, you need to see what the question is asking. So it's asking how much he had originally. So original amount that he had was X. And if he earns $4 more, then you're adding 4. Then now he has 52. So that's your equation, number 1. To show steps, now you need to solve for X. So you need to keep this, but you need to remove plus 4. Opposite of plus 4 is negative 4. So left side, you'll be left with X. Right side becomes 48. So your step will be like this. So that's number 2. Your solution will be $48. So now I'm doing number 2. Actually, from number 4 to number 6. So maybe this time it'll be easier if I screenshot and explain. So that's what I'm gonna do. So number 4, Maria loans her friend $12. Oops, $12. And now only has $29. And the important part is you need to figure out what the question is asking. So last sentence will give that. So how much Maria have when her friend pays her back. So she has $29 in her wallet. So let's see, so you have to figure out, this is asking you how much originally Maria had. So that amount will be X. Once she loans her friend $12, she'll be left with $29. That will be your equation. So that's number 4. Now you need to solve it. To solve it, maybe that's not that difficult for you now. Let me make it a little bit, well, I cannot make it smaller. But let me write it over here. So my equation is X minus 12 equals 29. To solve for X, I need to add 12 both sides. So my X value becomes 41. Now I'm looking at number 7. Verizon has a new cell phone plan where you pay $40 for unlimited talk. So $40 is the basic fee for unlimited talk. And then each gigabyte you're paying $12. And it's asking you, the last sentence is telling you what it's asking, how many gigabytes. So each gigabyte becomes X. Or actually, so how many gigabytes? The number of gigabytes becomes X, right? And then you need to multiply that X by 12. So 40 plus 12X equals 88. To solve it, you need to get rid of 40 by subtraction. 40. Oh, it's not letting me write. So I'm subtracting 40. Subtracting 40 from 88. Doesn't let me write. So once you subtract 40 from 88, then you'll be left with just 12x on the left side. So I have 12x equals 88 minus 40 becomes 48. So this time I need to divide both sides by 12. So x equals 4. That's numbers 9. Now let's look at the number 10 equation. Tim is a member at the local pool. He has to pay $10 a month for dues and then $4 for each additional visit. So the basic fee is $10 and then additionally every visit, and it's asking you how many times did he go. So the number of visits is X. So you need to multiply 4 and X. That becomes 38. So now I'm solving for X. So I'm keeping 4X, removing 10, subtract 10. So left side, I'll be left with just 4x. Right side, 38 minus 10 becomes 28. Now you need to divide both sides by 4 because it's multiplied. And then 4 cancel. You'll be left with x on the left side. Right side becomes 7. So this is for number 12. Last but not least, number 13, I'm writing the equation. So how long will it take him to save up for the shoes? So you need to put number of weeks, that's X. So weekly, you're depositing $15, so it's $15 times X, and he already has 50 in his bank account. He needs to make 185. You need to get rid of 50 by subtraction. Then now you need to divide both sides by 15. Then 135 divided by 5 is 9. That's it, guys. So 9 weeks.